Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Mississippi pot roast. Tender, juicy, and packed with flavor from just a handful of ingredients. And this is one of those recipes where you do a little work up front and 8 hours later you've got fall apart, shred with a fork beef. For this recipe you'll need olive oil, chuck roast, ranch dressing seasoning packet, Italian beef au jus seasoning packet, beef stock, and pepperoncini peppers with their juice. Begin by heating some olive oil in a cast iron skillet over high heat and searing all sides of the chuck roast. You're looking for a deep brown crust on each side. This step adds a ton of flavor to the final dish, so don't rush it. Once the roast has been seared, place it in the slow cooker. Next, pour the beef stock over the roast, then add in the pepperoncinis. Go ahead and pour a little of that pepperoncini juice over the top as well. It might seem like an unusual ingredient, but it adds a tangy flavor that really balances out the richness of this beef. Now sprinkle the ranch seasoning and the au jus packet over the top of the roast. These two together are what give Mississippi pot roast its signature flavor. Place the lid on the slow cooker, set it to low, and cook for about 8 hours. During that time, the roast will slowly break down and absorb all of those flavors. By the end, it should be tender enough to pull apart with almost no effort. Once cooking is complete, remove the lid and take a look at the roast. At this point, this should be fall apart tender. Using 2 forks or shredding claws, go ahead and shred the beef directly in the slow cooker. As you shred it, mix it back into the juices so it soaks up all that flavor. This is where the payoff happens. You end up with juicy, flavorful shredded beef that's perfect for just about anything. Serve it hot over a loaded baked potato, creamy mashed potatoes, or alongside your favorite roasted vegetables. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes like this Mississippi pot roast, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Mississippi pot roast turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.